You claimed that Omar Abdullah offered unconditional support to the BJP in 2014 after the hung assembly verdict. So that created a lot of tehelka, whether it happened or not, and is in the sense that Omar Abdullah says that aise kuch nahi hua, whereas you said it happened.
No, it happened. It very much happened, and I am sorry to say that it may or may not happen is wrong, because it happened, and it was also reported in the national dailies also, where denials were issued about it. And in the fact of the matter is that Mr. Omar Abdullah led a team in which I was a part and met the top BJP functionaries at that point of time, including the then president of the party and now the Honorable Home Minister, Union Home Minister, Manya Amit Shah ji, Ram Madhav ji. And also I met, I was meeting on behalf of the party, a few other political entities of the BJP, senior political entities, on the sidelines of those talks. And so it's a matter of fact. And it was under the directions of Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who at that time was in London. And he had asked Omar Abdullah Sahab to start the negotiation. And Omar Sahab was very keen that we become a part of the government. But the things didn't work out because of certain reasons.
You said that he even RSS, because everybody was presuming probably that Ram Madhav is who you met when you spoke about RSS. Lekin us waqt Ram Madhav ji was in BJP at that time, right?
मैंने ये नहीं कहा. What I said was that even post 5th August 2019, till about 2021 October, till I was a part of the party, there were consistent efforts made by the National Conference top leadership to establish a contact with the BJP as also the RSS to somehow get into a tactical understanding, political understanding for their own sustenance.
So tell me, Rana Sahab, why did the BJP go with the PDP? Because the PDP was seen more leaning towards the separatist elements in Kashmir as compared to the National Conference, with whom they had been in government before with Vajpayee ji. Why was that acceptable, which is PDP acceptable but not NC?
I cannot comment about that, but I know that one meeting went very sour. And
आप थे उस मीटिंग में?
मैं उस मीटिंग में नहीं था, लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि वो मीटिंग जब ख़त्म हुई तो काफ़ी वो सार मीटिंग थी.
Fireworks?
No fireworks. You know, there were no fireworks, but yes, I know that Mr. Omar Abdullah was ready to do everything and anything, and फारूक साहब आपको मालूम है बड़ा लिहाजी स्वभाव है. वो तो चाहते थे कि गवर्नमेंट बने, तो उमर साहब उन्हीं की डायरेक्शंस पे चल रहे थे, लेकिन वो मीटिंग जो थी वो सक्सीड नहीं हुई.
ओके.
वो मीटिंग वाज द फाइनल ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट. उस वक्त जब वो उस मीटिंग के लिए गए, तो वो मीटिंग के वक्त मैं अरुण जेटले साहब के साथ बात कर रहा था. आई वॉज सिटिंग विद हिम टॉकिंग ऑन द सेम थिंग, बट समहाउ इट डिडंट वर्क आउट. और वो मीटिंग जो थी वो आई थिंक inappropriately Omar Saab ने जल्दबाजी करके किया. He probably was too eager to form the government, and it didn't work out.
Do you think it was that chief minister?
No, we were ready for the chief minister from the BJP. There was no problem.
BJP?
We were ready for everything and anything as long as we are a part of the government, and the PDP is not a part of the government, because फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब was very clear कि सरकार अपनी बननी चाहिए, मुफ्ती को सरकार नहीं बनाने देनी.
और उस वक्त it was महबूबा मुफ्ती.
No, it was Mufti Sahab.
It was Mufti Sahab.
Then later when Mufti Sahab expired, we were in Katra, me and Dr. Farooq Abdullah, and that's the time when confabulations were going on by the BJP to explore possibilities, and I think even ANI reported that. We were in Katra for a function. As soon as we got out of the function, it was in the evening. I won't know the dates. If you go through the ANI records, that statement, because all media was there, and Farooq Sahab was asked. This is later, when Mufti Sahab had died, and there was a lull when Mehbooba ji had not taken over. Farooq Sahab was asked whether he would like to, whether he's open to the idea of forming a government with the BJP. Farooq Saab said yes, we are open to it, and उस पे हंगामा हो गया.
हाँ.
And next day morning, then Farooq Saab denied it also.
Which is want of Farooq Saab.
Which is
डॉक्टर साहब कुछ यहाँ कहते हैं, जम्मू में कुछ कहेंगे, श्रीनगर में कुछ और कहेंगे, दिल्ली में कुछ और कहेंगे.
उन्होंने बुजुर्ग हैं, उन्होंने सुबह फिर मुझसे ही कहा कि सबको बुलाओ भैया, ये गड़बड़ होगी. तो फिर यहीं बुलाए सब लोग, और फिर उन्होंने फरमाया कि ऐसा तो मेरा मर्जी नहीं थी, सवाल कुछ था, मैंने जवाब कुछ दिया, लेकिन जवाब यही था कि वी आर ओपन टू एवरीथिंग.
Okay, but now I just spoke with Omar Abdullah. I had done an interview with him, podcast with him, and he said there is no meeting ground with the BJP. Has that door completely shut with the NC?
If I know correctly, the door has been shut by the BJP, not the National Conference. Because according to some reliable sources within the National Conference, about 3 to 4 months back also, attempts were made by Dr. Saab to find a way to have a tactical understanding with the BJP. But I think the BJP High Command is not inclined to have a truck with the National Conference.
Click here to watch the full episode.